The HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 or 8130 printer series has got an automatic document feeder that copies and scans one-sided only. However, if you are to use the Flatbed scanner, you will be able to copy a two-sided document to two-sided. Let us show you how it's done. So this is a two-sided document that we're going to copy using the Flatbed scanner. Let's place the document onto the Flatbed scanner. Next, let's head over to the control panel. From the control panel, select Copy. Select Document Copy. You can scroll until you see Sites. Select that. You can see that there is a two-sided copy option. We'll select that. We are now ready to copy. Let's flip the document over to copy the second side. Let's continue. The copy is completed. And this is the copied document, page 1 and page 2. So this is how you copy a two-sided document to two-sided using the Flatbed scanner on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 or 8130 printer series.